Welcome to Circuit Sundays. This is an integrated circuit, more specifically, a 555 timer. This device can produce an oscillating signal of up to 500 kilohertz. The term hertz means oscillations per second, and kilohertz means thousands of oscillations per second. So, for example, this light here is about 2 hertz because it completes a full cycle from off to on about twice every second, and it keeps repeating that full cycle over and over again. It has an output duty cycle of 50% to 100%, meaning the percentage of time on compared to the time off per cycle ranges from around 50% up to near 100%. And all of that, including the oscillations, is all adjustable depending on what value you have for these two resistors on the side here and the value of the capacitor that you have there. There are websites that you can look up that will actually calculate what the oscillations will be exactly based on the sizes of capacities of components that you use. So for example, here I have two 100 microfarad capacitors in parallel, so that's 200 microfarads, and then both of these resistors are those values there. So you can see I have it typed into a calculator, and it says that the exact oscillation should be 2.2571 hertz. Now, if you're wondering how I got the values for the resistors, I'll tell you. There's two ways, actually. The first and most tedious way is learning this diagram for what values the colors signify, but the second, much easier way is using a multimeter, and it will simply just tell you what the values are. Much easier and quicker. You can buy all of these components online and make your very own flashing light circuit. See you next week for more Circuit Sundays.